How to check the pay with Pi GCV value. If you want to check, go to your Pi browser. Hold on, let it open. Click on Pi apps. Go to minute apps and go to click pay with Pi. Pay with Pi, then search. This is the application. So open it. Allow it to open. So this is it. Pi has been listed on the app with the 314,159 GCV. So I think work is still ongoing. I want to connect Pi, connect with Pi blockchain. Work is still ongoing. Then if you want to check the live market, this is it. This live market. That's the GCV price and the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, and Solana. So you can always refresh to check the current market of other speculative coin. All right.